Welcome to DesignerDigitals Bi-Weekly Tip, November 9th, 2018. This week using a shortcut for recoloring type in Photoshop and Elements. As the holiday season approaches, our schedule fills up quickly, and we always look for ways to save a few minutes of our precious time. This quick tip for changing the color of text is one way that I've learned to save time while digitally crafting. Begin by opening a digital project. Get the Type tool and key in a word or title. Because my system is set to the default colors, the title comes out in black since that's the foreground. To change the color, get the eyedropper tool by pressing the letter I on the keyboard. And then click somewhere on the document to select a color. So I'll come over here and I'll click right within this brown R to pick up that brown color. This changes the foreground color chip to the color that was selected. Making sure that your text layer is still selected, and it should be at this point, press Alt Backspace or on a Mac system, Option Delete on the keyboard. This causes the text to be recolored, matching the color that you selected with the eyedropper tool. You can use this method to quickly color and recolor text on any project that you may be working on. Simply choose a color, select the text layer, and press the shortcut keys. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for another super quick DesignerDigitals tip.